Good morning guys, in front of me is NOKIA C12 and let me show you how to change keyboard language. So at first you have to open new message or any other area where you can input some text. Click on start chat. And once you see your keyboard, here we've got the current one, you can smoothly change it by tapping on settings icon, go to languages, tap add keyboard and select the one that you want to apply. As you can see, you can either scroll all the way down or you can use the search area and enter the language that you want to apply. Tap on done and now remove unnecessary language. Then let's go back and that's it. As you can see, it has been already applied, so you can smoothly use it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.